Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create table in MySQL server by using MySQL command line client and MySQL workbench. Okay, first we will see the syntax. See, this is the syntax. See, we have different options. Okay, so you can go through this document. I will keep this document in the video description. See, I am going to create this customer table and these are the column names and these are the data types for these columns and these are the constraints and this is the sample data. Okay. So, see, data types int means it allows only numerical values. Varchar, it allows characters. Those must be entered in singular double quotes. And date of birth, we have to give the date data type. And remaining varchars. And see here, PK means primary key. It won't allow duplicates or null values. And not null means, suppose if you want to enter a blank for this column, if you define the column with not null, it won't allow the null values. That's why I am going to define not nulls. Okay. Connect to MySQL server. Also connect MySQL from the MySQL workbench. If you want to install MySQL workbench on Windows or Linux operating systems, then go through then check my YouTube channel. There you can find how to install MySQL on Windows or Linux operating systems. Go to schema, see here we have these databases. First I am going to create a database. Create database bank. Then switch to this new database. Use bank. In this database I am going to create the customer table. First verify list of tables, show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Okay. So I am going to create table by using create table, then give the table name. And here account number int. Int is the data type, primary key, comma. We have to give first name, varchar 50, not null. If you don't give not null, it will allow the null values. So that's why I am giving. Okay, this is the way. So I am going to keep this command in the video description. Last name varchar 50, not null, comma, hit enter. Then DOB, that is date of birth, date. Then email varchar 100. I am not going to give not null. So it will allow the null values. Phone number varchar 20, not null. Address not null. Then PAN is for Indians. So varchar 15. I am not going to give not null constant. Okay. Put semicolon after statement. Then only MySQL understands this is the statement completion. Hit enter. See, query is okay. I will keep this command in the video description. Now verify the table. Show tables. Put semicolon. See, we have the customer table. Okay. Even if you go to MySQL workbench, refresh here. See, we have the bank database, expand it. See, once we select it, see, it has populated the table description. Account number is int primary key. Okay, we have these options. Okay, or if you want to see, right click, then send to create statement. See, this is the command we use it to create the table in MySQL server. Okay, this and this both are same. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. Insert into table name, customer, then values. Then here we have to give the values based on these column names. Like see, we have to give these values. See, I have prepared this document. I will keep these commands in the video description. And one point I want to show you is here date format is like this. But here it is like this, but we have to follow the MySQL server standard. To verify the date format, run the command, select current underscore date. See, date format is year, month and day. Okay, so because of that I have given first year, then month, then day of the month. Okay, so copy these commands one by one and see here I have given null values because here pawn we haven't given any constraint, so it will allow the null values. So copy it, go to the terminal, remove this one, go to the MySQL client and see we are inserting rows, and 1001 is the account number, James is the first name, David is the last name, and see this is the date of birth, DOB, email and phone number, address, then pawn details. Hit enter, it is done. In the same way copy remaining rows and paste them. Now verify the data, select star from customer. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. We can also get the same from the MySQL workbench. Select the database, then click on this SQL plus. Now run the query, same, select star from customer. Select it and execute it. Click on this execute button. See, we have to give the database name, bank dot. Then select it and execute. See, we got the output. Okay, see, we have these 3 rows. We can also insert data here. Okay, until now we have performed actions from the MySQL command line client. We can also create table. See, go to schemas, then select database, expand databases, right click on tables, then select create table. Or if you want to create table as existing one, you have to select create table like. So create table, then provide the table name, student, correlation, default and engine types. See, you have different engine types. I am going with InnoDB. Then here in columns, click on this column, then click on this box, then give SNAME, type integer, select primary key, NN means not null, and remaining unique key and I am not going to give. Then click on the next button, then give the SNAME, that is student name, varchar. If you want to change data type, you have to click on this drop down, not primary key, not null. Okay, here also we can change the things. See, this is the data type, not null, unique, and if you are okay with all the settings like indexes, you can provide all the information. Okay, I am going with the basic one, so click on apply. See, this is the syntax. So click on apply. See, it is going to create table in this bank database. So click on apply. It is done. Click on finish. Right, expand table. See, here we have the student. See, this is the columns information. Now insert data. Select the create new SQL tab. Now here we have to provide the insert statement. Insert into bank.student values 100, put semicolon at the end, copy it, insert one more row. I haven't inserted, just I am typing the insert statements. So select both and click on execute. Both are executed. So if you want to verify data, I will keep these 2 commands also in the video description. So let us verify the data. Select star from student. Select it. See, we got the error because we have to give the database name. So select it and execute. See, we got the data, whatever is there in this table. Okay, even we can also get from here. Show tables. Before we have only one table. Now if you give the show table, see, we have student table. Verify the data, select star from student. Okay, if you want to drop this table, then in MySQL workbench, right click and click on and select the drop table or truncate. Truncate means it will not delete the table, it will delete only table data. So if you want to delete, click on drop table or click on it. See, it is asking confirmation. If you want to review, see, this is the command. Okay, cancel it. MySQL client command is drop table student. Put semicolon. It is success. Show tables. See, the table is gone. Even if you go to MySQL workbench, right click on tables, refresh all. See, the table is gone. So in this video we have seen how to create a table in MySQL server. Then we have seen different examples. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.